Hey guys, I'm going to show you what I'm working on the bolt. Let's have a look at it. Specifically the head, and I'll jog it back into range here. And let me switch over to that camera. I think you have a better view. I mounted a little endoscopic camera right to the head of the laser, 3D printed a little mount for it. So we're going to try the Lightburn head cam calibration and see how that works. Last time I tried it, it was in its infancy or had just been introduced in beta. So here we are. I've got the cam control window already pulled up. So we're just going to right click over the preview and go to camera alignment and go to head cam. And those don't look too bad. I'm going to speed this one up a little bit. Letters just a little bit. And we can frame that, make sure that it's going to be where it needs to be. Looks like that it is. We can also preview it and see what it's going to look like. So let me go ahead and fire that off. So far, so good. Okay, should do some numbers. Awesome. All right, so I'm going to move the head back out of the way a little bit so we can see again. And let's go back over to the display. All right, so I'm going to go next, and it's going to want me to choose the camera. So I'm going to pick USB camera, and there's our preview. Now it wants me to get the numbers as close as I can to the center. So we're just going to get those pretty close. I can dial it in if I want, get it a little bit closer there. Okay, that looks pretty good. So it's roughly in the middle of the preview, the target pattern. And so we're going to click next as it says. And the next button is doing a little flashy. And I think this is where it gets hung up. This is the public release of 1.7.03. Now I can zoom in and out. It looks like the same behavior that we would expect to see. I can move things around, and I can double click and click next, and then wants me to do something, but it's not populating this in this view so that we can see it. So that's what the issue is going to be. So I'm still not able to continue at this point, but we'll keep messing with it, and then hopefully we'll get it, and I'll follow up as I come across new information.